Hi everyone, today I'm gonna share with you the very useful item to make it. I call it the foot pedal mat. So when you have the foot pedal that sit on the floor and then it want a while, you move and you look for it, it keep moving around and it drive me crazy. So today I'm gonna share with you because I make many and it's very helpful. There's a placemat that I got in from Walmart. It sells four together, or you can easily find the roll at the Dollar Tree. Let me just measure it on the side here. It's 5.5 inches. 5.5, and this is 3.5. So I'm going to add 5.5. I'm gonna go to 7. I'm gonna go 7 inches. 7 inches. I'm gonna go and cut 7. It's right here. I'm gonna go to this line like that. That's 7 inches. And then I go out those, the other thing is 3.5, right? I'm gonna go to 5. So 7 by 5. Not 7-11. 7 and 5. 5. It's right here. And then connect this. It have the line. It's right there, easy for you to cut. I'm gonna go up 7 inches, everyone. And then I go right out of 5 inches. So everyone, whatever size you want to cut this is all up to you. You can go wider and you can go longer. So let me just put this on the side here. I have cut in 3 inches of the fabric, 3 inches wide and as long as you want, and at the end you can cut. And I fold it in half, and then the half and half like this, and then fold this way. You're gonna iron the whole thing so we get ready to sew. When I sew, I'm gonna show you the new way to cover the corner here, the best way, everyone. This way I can show you all around. Sewing about 2 inches away. I start about 2 inches away like this. Now I go right at the end. I'm gonna turn this around and I'm going to sew all the way up to here. This is so easy, and you can see I just have to pull it out to show you like this. Take this out, okay, and then I can show you. So like this, and then you're going to move this over like this. So now on the top corner, I'm going to sew all the way down like a triangle. Yeah, usually you mark, basically you look at it, you see it, the square, and then you draw on the triangle like that. So nice and perfect. And then you're gonna pull this. From this side over. Have the corner like this and then continue to sew all the way. This way it's so nice and neat when you're done. Oh my goodness, let me tell you the story that happened to me last Saturday when I went to a mammogram. Everything fine. I was so happy left there because before the mammogram, I feel like traumatized. I don't like that kind of stuff. It's just crazy, like they sweeten orange juice. It's so painful. Anyway, so and then if Thursday, I got an email and tell me that I have to come back and redo the right side because they have some kind of technical problem. I don't know what happened, but they say they cannot see the picture very well. So I came back and it's so painful. I don't like this kind of stuff. But then after she took a picture, blah blah blah, and then she said, "Don't put your clothes on yet. You just sit there and wait if the radiologist to look at it and see if everything looked fine." That was a good news. But while you waiting for the result, it 15 minutes, but it feel like you sat on the death row and waiting for death penalty. It's ridiculous. But anyway, it's over. I'm so happy. Now after you pull, it look like this. Now continue doing this, and then when you get to here, I'll show you how to join that together. I just want to let you know that a lot of people comment that they like the background music on my channel. Make sure you check on my second channel and relaxing music playlist. Exactly the same music I place in there. This is where I started, and I have an extra right here. I have to bring it down here to show you detail. Remember we left it here 2 inches, and in here I just stopped right here, and I will go on to do something in on this side. So I'm gonna go and fold this side a triangle. You see this? Fold like a triangle, like this. You can press this, and then you're gonna fold this back here at the fold. Now you have this. So from here, I'm gonna go and cut an extra. I would do about 2 inches or so. Fold this way. A triangle at the end here. So I'm gonna go from here to here. So I'm gonna sew all the way down. Now look at this, everyone. The front and the back, the same. And the corner look like a picture frame. Look at that. So cute. Good, everyone. I finished, and I'm gonna put this on top. It would never move out of the plate wherever you put. That's it, everyone. I finished, and this is very easy, but it's very useful. It's so crazy that I have to look for it once a while. It moves because I have my sewing machine in the room with hardwood floor, so it like it keeps moving around. So I hope you make this, everyone. It's very, very useful. Trust me. And that's it. I just want to say thank you for all of you that visit my second channel and listen to relaxing and calming music. to give me hours for that channel. When I get in 4,000 hours from watch time from everybody watching my video and give me more hours, I can go back to that channel and share with you more cooking recipe. And I just want to say thank you to the channel member and everybody that support my main channel, the Twin Stay channel. Love you. Take care. Stay safe, everyone.